Welcome back to my HTML tutorial series. Today we're going to learn how to create tables using HTML. Tables are an essential tool for displaying organized data on your web page. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's dive in. Starting with the HTML boilerplate code and live server started, let's create a table. First, let's add a heading to our page. Let's call that pizza. Let's add a subheading for our table. I'm going to title this table of pizza prices. And then let's begin our table, starting with the table tag. And within the table tag, let's add a row using the tr element. Within the first tr element, I'm going to add some table headings using the th element. The first heading I want is going to be toppings. And then another table heading I want is prices. So now for my next row, right underneath the headings, add another tr element. And now I'm going to add some actual data, which is represented by the td element. Let's add a cheese pizza. Let's say that hypothetically costs $10. Let's add another row, another piece of data for that column for mushrooms. And let's say that costs $11. Let's add another table row. And for the data in that row, it'll be the pepperoni pizza, which costs $12. Once I save, this is going to create a simple table that displays pizza toppings and their prices, cheese, mushroom, and pepperoni. There you have it. Congratulations, you've successfully created a table in HTML. This is just the beginning. Once you learn CSS and other advanced techniques, you'll be able to create more complex tables and even customize the appearance. Stay tuned for more HTML tutorials, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful web development tips. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.